Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you're following us on Instagram because we do pretty amazing stuff out there. So NLSIU has come up with its own exam for 2020 and the name of the exam is NLAT, that is National Law Admission Test, and a lot many of you are facing problem with filling up of the form, so I thought I'll create a step-by-step guide so that you don't face any problem and so that you don't commit any mistake. Also, if you want to know in detail about the pattern, about the changes that have taken place, the important dates, guys, don't miss it. The forms are out now and the last date is I think 10 September. I'll leave the link to both of the videos that I've done on this exam in the description box below. They are on LLB, that is BALLB and LLM. You can check out for yourself and take the action accordingly. So abhi hum baat karenge that how you should fill the form step by step. Okay. Step 1, make a list of documents you need. Guys, take a pen, take a paper, and write down. Number 1, you need a photograph, a passport size photograph of yourself. You need one of these photo IDs. So take it out. It could be a driving license, it could be Aadhaar card, voter ID, ration card, passport, or student ID card from your previous institution. And original mark statement and pass certificate of standard 10 or matriculation or equivalent examination. Guys, also this option, the student ID card option, is there when you open up the admission form. If you see the guidelines, this option is not there. Okay, so you need your 10th mark sheet plus your pass certificate, your 12th mark sheet and pass certificate. If you're applying for LLM, your LLB mark sheet and pass certificate. So sometimes, or a lot many times, your pass certificate and mark sheet, mark statement are like in different, they're two documents. So you scan them together, your 10th mark sheet and pass certificate, your 12th mark sheet and pass certificate. Similarly for LLB, if you have your semester sheets, your semester marks, so you make one document, one PDF document for LLB in entirety. Okay, original caste certificate, tribe certificate, disability certificate wherever applicable, documentary proof including letter from head of institution, school certificates. If you are from Karnataka and you have to take the quota wherein you belong to Karnataka and there is a specified number of weightage which is given to you guys. So if you are from Karnataka, you should take this benefit for sure and make sure that you have these documents. Step 2, scan the documents using any application. So you can use any application on your phone. It could be EasyFax, CamScan, and scan these documents very carefully. They should be clear. Please guys, make sure they are clear and complete because they have clearly said if your documents are not clear and complete, they will reject your application straight on. Photo specifications, when you open up the admission form, you will see that they have told that upload your recent passport size photograph in JPEG or PNG format. These formats are important. Okay, size should be less than 1 MB. Make sure you crop resize the photo properly so that your face is visible. Documents, upload your relevant document in PDF format. Guys, your documents need to be in PDF format, not image format or anything, and size should be less than 1.5 MB. Step 3, keep all the documents with you while filling the form. Now there are a lot many people I know would come up and say the humse galti se, we have filled wrong marks of 10th or 12th. Please guys, calculate total marks in 10th and 12th and then fill. You can calculate them twice, thrice or 4 times and get them checked from someone, but don't, make sure that you fill it right. Okay, recheck the information. If possible, ask one of your parents or elder sibling to check the information one by one. Don't fill the form in a hurry. Normally you guys fill the form in a hurry. Look, you have time, you can very nicely sit down and fill the form. Take good 1 to 2 hours. Itna time nahi lagega, it won't take this much of time, but then also don't be in a hurry, be patient. Let's fill the form together. You'll see when you enter the website, the link to the website is down below in the description box. When you enter, you'll see such a thing wherein when you click on register, you find that register for NLAT 2020. You need to give a name and then the program that you want to go for, LLB, LLM, mobile number, please make sure that you go for a mobile number which is working, because they will be, it is a way of communicating. The email and whatever mobile number you give, make sure that you check that. So if you are not using your mobile number because you're studying these days, you might register through your mom's mobile number or father's mobile number, who do check their phone. So please do give a number which is working, which is on. Like, you have to keep a password, confirm password, and once you click on register, they'll send you an OTP. You have to choose this OK thing, and once you say OK, an OTP would come on your mobile number, something like this. Once you receive your OTP, you fill in your OTP out here and your account would get activated. You'll put in your mobile number and password here and things would get started. Okay, so I'm putting out my OTP here and I'll activate my account. Now once you put in your OTP, so now you put in your mobile number and password. So once you open up the form, you'll see something like this. They are just giving you the details, the test details, filing of objections, publication of final keys, the important dates have been mentioned, fees has been mentioned, the documents that are to be uploaded. And then when you click on this button, this start button here, then the form actually begins. You have to fill your name as is shown in 10+2 certificate, gender, date of birth, father's name, address, then your nationality, NRI, OCI, PIO, area, PIN code, email, alternative, your state, alternative contact number. You have to upload your photograph. You need to make sure that the format which we had discussed, 1 MB, less than 1 MB. Then you click on next, and when you click on next, you need to give your academic information out here, board, year of passing, total marks obtained, maximum marks, upload a photo, copy of class 10 certificate. Again, you need to give your 12th marks details, you need to give your stream, which stream are you from, the year of passing. All of this needs to be done. And then when you move on to the reservation information, if you fall in any of the category, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, or you are a disabled person, disability, right, PWD category, you need to fill that and upload the information, upload the documents out here. And finally, so after this you have to go in for declaration and you have to make the payment and you're sorted. All the best. प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना, ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ। वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।